Muscle growth, also known as muscle hypertrophy, is a complex biological process that occurs in response to specific stimuli, such as resistance training and proper nutrition. When you engage in strength training or resistance exercises, your muscles undergo a series of physiological changes that promote muscle growth and increase strength. Here is a detailed explanation of what makes muscles grow. Hello and welcome to our channel. You are watching Actually Explained. Before further diving into the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and do follow us on our other social media platforms. You cause tiny micro tears in the muscle fibers. Muscle fiber damage. These micro tears trigger an inflammatory response, signaling the body to repair and strengthen the damaged muscle fibers. Satellite cells activation. In response to muscle fiber damage, satellite cells, which are specialized cells located around the muscle fibers, become activated. Satellite cells play a crucial role in muscle repair and growth. They fuse with the damaged muscle fibers, providing additional nuclei to aid in muscle protein synthesis. Protein synthesis and muscle protein balance. Muscle protein synthesis. Protein synthesis is the process by which new muscle proteins are built. In the context of muscle growth, resistance training stimulates increased muscle protein synthesis. Muscle protein breakdown. At the same time, there is also muscle protein breakdown, which is the natural turnover of muscle proteins. Muscle protein balance. Muscle growth occurs when muscle protein synthesis exceeds muscle protein breakdown, resulting in a positive muscle protein balance. Hormonal influence. Anabolic hormones. Hormones play a significant role in muscle growth. Anabolic hormones, such as testosterone, growth hormone, and insulin-like growth factor 1, promote protein synthesis and contribute to muscle hypertrophy. Resistance training can trigger the release of these anabolic hormones, enhancing muscle growth. Nutrition. Adequate protein intake. Protein is a building block of muscle tissue, so consuming an adequate amount of protein is essential for muscle growth and repair. Athletes and individuals engaged in resistance training typically require higher protein intake. Caloric surplus. Muscle growth is most efficient when the body is in a caloric surplus, meaning you consume more calories than you expend. This provides the energy needed for muscle repair and growth. Rest and recovery. Adequate rest and recovery are vital for muscle growth. During rest, the body repairs and rebuilds the damaged muscle fibers, leading to increased muscle size and strength. Genetics. Genetics play a role in determining an individual's muscle growth potential. Some people may experience more rapid muscle growth due to their genetic makeup, while others may progress at a slower rate. It's important to note that muscle growth is a gradual process that requires consistency, dedication, and progressive overload and resistance training. Additionally, individual responses to training and nutrition can vary, so what works best for one person may differ for another. Consulting with a fitness professional or a registered dietitian can help design a personalized workout and nutrition plan to optimize muscle growth and overall fitness goals. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Share this if you find this useful. Goodbye.